Today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to go over today. Yesterday we did some light reading concerning the ENV equals network ENV and Ethereum RPC report that takes the parameter of RPC. And today we're going to look at our contract and see how everything came together. So let's get and pull it up so we can get started so I can show you exactly what's going on, how everything came into effect, how everything came into our contract, how everything worked together. So first and foremost, as soon as it gets pulled up, I can show you. You can see here we have the from board.network. We imported the network ENV and the Ethereum RPC. And you see here we have our ENV equals network ENV, which gets the wrapper of the Ethereum RPC, which takes as a parameter RPC variable that we created, which shows the RPC underscore URL, which shows our port number. Then we set everything in motion with the board.set underscore ENV, which takes as a parameter ENV variable that we just created, which shows the network ENV, which shows the Ethereum RPC wrapper, which shows the RPC variable, which shows the RPC underscore URL, which shows our port number. And that's how we brought everything together. That's how we were able to make everything mesh inside of our contract. They gave us access to that port number using all of the tools that we have access to inside of the Bobo package. That's what we have with that. Now that we see how everything is working, we're going to move forward. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. And for now, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.